today not only I'm going to review about the product, I'm going to tell you the कि कौन सा प्रोडक्ट मेरे को ज्यादा थोड़ा ज्यादा पसंद आया है and which product work better for my skin and performed well on my skin. And also I'm going to rate this product out of 5 so that कि आपको convenience हो कि आपको product buy करने में. Both of the products are from the drugstore and they're easily available on Nykaa, Amazon, Flipkart, in your nearby grocery stores or any big bazaar, as well as Reliance Fresh, D-Mart, everywhere you can get them. So बहुत easily available है दोनों product. Amor is you, Amor is me. So let's spread little love during this tough time. Your pile is back with another review Thursday. So today not only I'm gonna review about one product, but I'm gonna review about these two products. And I'm gonna tell you what is the texture and how they both performed and which one works the best for my skin. And also I'm gonna rate these two products out of 5, and I'm gonna make it little easy for you to judge. And like I'm also gonna recommend. Firstly, I'm going to review about Lakme Skin Gloss Gel. This was the first gel cream I've ever used in my skin, and trust me, frankly, I've loved it. Like, its texture is so smooth, and its consistency, it's not, it does not clog your pores, and the gel, it does not sticks in your skin, Since monsoon है, तो monsoon की वजह से क्या होता है, तो अभी से जिनका dry skin है, उनका फेस बहुत ड्राई आउट होने लग जाता है, एंड बाय द टाइम उनका विंटर आता है, उनका स्किन बहुत फ्लेकी हो जाता है और बहुत वाइट पैचेस आ जाने लगते हैं उनके फेस में. तो इन दैट केस द जेल क्रीम वर्क्स बेस्ट बिकॉज उनके फेस में वो पूरा अब्जॉर्व कर जाता है आपके फेस में आपने कुछ लगाया है पता नहीं चलता है, एंड ऑल्सो लीव्स अ ग्लॉसी टेक्सचर इन योर स्किन. मैं जनरली जेल क्रीम ही परचेज करती हूँ बिकॉज दे वर्क वंडर्स फॉर माई स्किन एंड दे वर्क वेरी वेल. वो बहुत अच्छे से अब्जॉर्व कर जाता है, क्योंकि मैंने बताया था मेरा थोड़ा ड्राई कॉम्बी और कभी कभी एक्नी प्रोन स्किन हो जाता है. तो इन दैट सिनेरियो मेरे स्किन पे ये जेल क्रीम बहुत अच्छा वर्क करता है. एज वेल एज मेरे जो पोर्स है, जेल क्रीम डज नॉट क्लॉग योर पोर्स. तो मेरे पोर्स जो है, जो थोड़े थोड़े मोड़े जो पोर्स है, वो उनको कभी पोर्स को क्लॉग नहीं करता है, विच इज गुड फॉर अ क्रीम. So let's see the packaging. It comes under this cardboard little basic box, and I've purchased a product for rupees 15 gram, which is of 200 rupees. You will definitely get a bigger tub. So before buying the bigger tub, I will always suggest you कि किसी product का smaller version हो तो try and test that so that कि आपको पता चले कि that works for your skin or not, rather than buying a bigger tub and if it does not work in your skin तो वो पूरा waste हो जाता है. And also they have mentioned all the ingredients in the box, as well as they have mentioned when to use the product. They have said that you can use it in the morning as well as evening. So the brand claims that it gives you that glossiness in your skin. Yes, it gives you that glossiness in your skin, but this glossiness does not stay for the whole day. Then the moisturization does not stay the whole day. So it will hardly stay for 5 hours, max to max. Suppose I apply it at 9 in the morning, it will stay up to 1 or 2 in the afternoon. Then again you have to reapply the skin to get the same glossiness in your skin. So this product has been enriched with minerals as well as glacier water, which nourishes your skin and makes your skin very soft and supple, and really it provides nourishment to your skin. So let's get quickly into the pros and cons of this product. So as I will show you, it's a very light gel formula, lightweight formula. Wait, I will show you in the palm, and it absorbs into your hand very quickly. Like as soon as you apply it in your skin, it absorbs in your skin. 30 सेकेंड भी नहीं लगेगा, it will absorb into your, completely dissolve हो जाएगा. And it's a very light weighted and it's non greasy. आपके फेस में कुछ greasiness नहीं आएगा, and also it will provide you little gloss and little shine into your skin. Without no further आपको you don't have to apply any foundation or anything after that. So you can use this as a base of your makeup as well as a primer because it has a silicone in it. What it does is that it blurs out your pores. आपके स्किन में जो pores है उसको आपको वो blur कर देता है and it smoothen out your face. So you don't have to use an extra primer for your face. This will work brilliantly for your primer. And also जिनका dull skin है dull and dry skin out हो गया है उनके लिए तो ये बहुत अच्छा काम करता है. As well as ये it's best, ये सब skin type के लोग use कर सकते हैं. Normals and yes, for sensitive skin type they need to have a patch test because sensitive स्किन के टाइप लोगों को उनको जल्दी कुछ स्किन में कुछ भी उन लोग लगा लेते हैं तो उनको थोड़ा रिएक्शन होने का देयर इज अ चांसेस फॉर अ रिएक्शन इनटू देयर स्किन. तो उन लोगों के लिए दे हैव टू, बट अदरवाइज ऑयली ड्राई कॉम्बिनेशन सबके लिए ये बेस्ट वर्क करता है. सो व्हाट आई डिडंट लाइक अबाउट द प्रोडक्ट इज इट्स फ्रेग्रेंस. एज सून एज यू ओपन द बॉटल आपको एक परफ्यूमी सा एक स्मेल आएगा. इट्स अ वेरी हार्श स्मेल जो कि जनरली मुझे इतना फ्रेग्रेंस से प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, मुझे बहुत पसंद ही है फ्रेग्रेंस. बट इसका क्या प्रॉब्लम है कि ये तुरंत ही आपके नर्व्स में चढ़ जाएगा. मतलब वंस यू ओपन इट उसका जो स्मेल है वो पूरा ही आपके जिनको एकदम पसंद नहीं है ऐसा स्मेल तो इट विल नॉट गेट along with them. मतलब एकदम ही उनको they will feel little irritated, बहुत ही उनको प्रॉब्लम होगा. And also what I find that कि there is no SPF into this cream. So लोग क्या करते हैं also मैं भी क्या करती हूँ कभी कभी मैं अपने मॉइस्चराइजर में SPF देखती हूँ because क्या होता है sometimes we forget to tend to apply a moisturizer क्योंकि बहुत सारे क्रीम कभी सेरम कभी मॉइस्चराइजर कभी SPF लगाना हम भूल जाते हैं. तो यदि एक क्रीम में SPF रहता है तो वो क्या होता है जनरली वो वर्क कर जाता है आपके सनस्क्रीन का भी. तो which you if sometimes you forget also so it will protect your skin from sun damage. Also the brand has paraben, perfume and silicone in it जो कि those who are looking for these paraben silicone free products so that will not get along with this product. But otherwise if you want to tell me कि मुझे ये product पसंद है कि नहीं, yes it blurs out my skin, it does not clog my pores and बहुत ही अच्छा it works for my skin and yes I did not find any rashes in my skin. But if at all आपको कभी कोई patch test करना है तो you can patch test in the behind of your palm. So I am gonna rate this product out of 5 is like 3.5 and yes I am gonna recommend this product for you like जिनको इतना fragrance से problem नहीं है और if उनको जेल क्रीम if they are searching for an affordable gel cream so go for it. Like it's is really आपको इसको एक बार ट्राई तो करना ही चाहिए and trust me it will not disappoint you. So let's talk about this Supon Super Light Gel. So I had to try this because it has been most talked about, raved about, and so I wanted to know that what it is like. People are so liking this product. So here I am to give you a very quick review about this product. So Pond's Super Light Gel has a clear gooey substance which retains the moisture into your skin and makes your skin very lubricant and little glossy. So the main ingredient in this product is hyaluronic acid. So hyaluron is a substance which is already present into our skin. So what happens due to this pollution, due to our rough lifestyle, so we tend to lose it. So what it does, it retains the hyaluron into our skin and makes your skin very fresh and you will see the dewiness in your skin. The best part of this product is it is suitable for every skin type, like normal acne prone as well as dry skin type, everybody can use it. So let's quickly get into the packaging. So I have got a 147 gram of product and it is a plastic tub and also it's priced for rupees 299 which is quite affordable. Also you get a smaller variant of rupees I think 149 rupees, so which is quite affordable, like you are getting a hyaluronic acid as well as vitamin E into it and such an affordable product. So let's get into the texture of the product. The product has this aquaish bluish color of sort and the texture is, see, it's a watery texture and a light clear, it's a clear substance and I will show you it in the palm. Like it's a non-sticky formula. Like look, see. The Lakme one was a little silicone, you could feel it, and this one is a total aqueous formula, like in a water-based product. That was also the water-based product, but this one is the total, no, you can't feel a silicone feel into it, but it has silicone into the product. So there is no oil in this product, as well as I didn't feel any stickiness into my skin, and it is like absorbing very quickly. Like wow, like I loved it. I have been using this product since a long time. Like I have been using this for 4 months as of now. So I am like loving this product, and I am like getting back this product again and again because it's so lightweight and you don't feel any sticky. So as soon as you open the product, you get a perfume smell. In comparison to the Lakme one, this has little milder smell in comparison to the Lakme one, but Lakme one had a very high hard smell, but this does not have that hard smell. But yes, मुझे उतना कोई problem नहीं है with this smell. This is little lighter than, but those who have little allergic to the smell, those who prefer little milder smell might not like this smell or might not like the Lakme ones too. So let's get into the pros and cons of the product. The first thing I like about the product is it instantly plumps out your skin. So as soon as you apply the product, you will see that your skin plumps out, and without any greasiness, any oily texture or any stickiness, it plumps out your face, and you will love that feeling. Like your skin feels very plums out and very fresh. You will feel very fresh when you apply this product. This can also be used as a makeup primer as well as base, because as soon as you apply your foundation, you will see that it glides so easily in your skin. Like it works very well it sits into your skin and it absorbs into your skin very well, this product. This is a very leak proof as well as a travel friendly packaging, and this huge tub will last you for forever. Like this will last you for 4 to 5 months. And also I like about this product is that little amount goes all the way. Like you don't need a huge amount to cover up your face as well as neck. Little amount goes all. Trust me guys, it is a very affordable product, and I highly recommend you this product. Please go for it if you're looking for a good budget friendly product. So this is the one that you can purchase and invest upon without pinching upon your pocket. Like it is so affordable. So let's talk about the cons of the product. Yes, this product does not have SPF, which I always look into a moisturizer that usme SPF zarur ho, so that as I said that if I tend to forget, so then this will help me out for a sun protection. And also it has silicone, but it is a paraben free product. But that is people who are not looking silicones into their product, they might not like it. So the brand claims that it provides moisturization throughout the day, but trust me guys, it does not provide the throughout the day moisturization. But yes, it will last up to 6 to 7 hours max to max, but otherwise after that you have to reapply it. So out of 5 I am giving this product a 4.2, just because it does not have SPF, as well as it has silicone into the product, and as well as not cruelty free. So I am just cutting the marks down. But when it comes to its texture, its performance, its work, it works wonders to your skin. Must try a product, must buy product is this. Guys, this is a non-sponsored video. Nobody has told me to, nobody has paid me money to tell you the good things about the product. But things which I don't like, I will tell you. Which I like, I will already have told you. So by my review, you must have guessed which product I might like the most. Yes, I like if you have guessed that correct. It is the Pond's one which I like the most. It's not that I don't recommend this Lakme one. I highly recommend these two products. I am reviewing some product, that means I am loving it. So yes, I love this Lakme one too, but because of this longevity, like this one stays in your skin for a longer time, as well as it is affordable when it comes to a price, and when it comes to the this 147 grams of product costs you 300 rupees, and it's quite affordable. Like you're getting a huge amount of product into just a less price you are paying it. So all this keeping in the mind, So I'm giving this product the more marks as well as like more preference, and you can go both of the products according to your preference. You can try both them. So with this, I've come to the end of the video. I hope you liked the Pond's versus Little Lakme review. I hope this mini review has helped you out in choosing a product. And if you like the product, don't forget to give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you get notification when I post a video. Bye.